Imagine looking back a few years from now and realizing that you had the chance to get in on one of the most promising crypto projects before anyone else. That moment could be happening right now with Anoma coin. If you've been hesitant or waiting for the perfect time, this might be your wake-up call because the window to accumulate early is open, and opportunities like this don't come around often. Let me explain why I'm so excited about Anoma and why I believe now is the time to pay attention. First, the project itself has already shown incredible progress. Anoma recently completed a successful testnet phase. Now, for those unfamiliar, a testnet is like the rehearsal stage for a crypto project. It's where developers test the network, fix bugs, and ensure that everything works smoothly before it goes live on the mainnet. And Anoma didn't just scrape by, they nailed it. That success shows that the team is organized, capable, and committed to seeing this project through. A strong, dedicated team is one of the most important factors in the long-term success of any crypto project. You can have a great idea, but without a team that executes flawlessly, it's almost impossible for the project to reach its full potential. Now, here's where things get interesting. Despite this strong foundation, Anoma is still flying under the radar. The project doesn't have the hype or mainstream attention yet, meaning the majority of investors haven't even discovered it. And that's exactly what makes this opportunity so exciting. In crypto, the early stages are critical. Those who get in early, before the hype kicks in, often see the biggest rewards. Right now, Anoma is quietly building, growing, and preparing for the spotlight, and that's the exact moment when smart investors start accumulating. And here's something that really hits home. Crypto isn't just about money. It's about opportunity and timing. Every once in a while, a project comes along that makes you stop and think, if I don't take action now, I might regret it years from now. Anoma feels like one of those rare moments. We're talking about a project that's already proving itself technically, supported by a solid foundation, and positioned to grow as more investors discover it. The choice to start accumulating now is not just smart, it could be transformative for anyone willing to take the leap. Of course, like all investments, there's risk. Crypto can be volatile and projects take time to mature. But the potential upside here is enormous, especially when you consider the team's track record, the successful testnet, the Ethereum Foundation, the low market cap, and the strong community support. This isn't hype. This is the kind of calculated, early-stage opportunity that many investors dream about but rarely find. The bottom line is simple. Anoma has the fundamentals, the team, the technology, and the community support to succeed. The project is in its early days, the market cap is still low, and the long-term prospects are incredibly promising. Accumulating now means you're not chasing a trend, you're investing in potential. And in crypto, timing is everything. So ask yourself, a few years from now, will you look back wishing you had started early? Or will you be glad you recognized the opportunity when it mattered most? The choice is yours, and the opportunity is real. Now, let's dive into the full details of Anoma. Anoma represents a groundbreaking advancement in the cryptocurrency sector, serving as a cross-chain operating system designed to unify fragmented blockchain ecosystems. Developed by Heliax, Anoma leverages a proof-of-stake consensus to enhance network security, scalability, and energy efficiency, a noted improvement over more traditional proof-of-work mechanisms. This consensus positions Anoma to significantly impact the landscape by facilitating interoperability across different blockchains. Hence, Anoma enables self-sovereign communities to engage in seamless cross-chain interactions. Key use cases of Anoma include its capability to support decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, and vastly improved transaction processes across multiple blockchain networks. Its focus on cross-chain interoperability not only reduces the friction of blockchain fragmentation, but also fosters a cohesive ecosystem for decentralized applications. When examining its tokenomics, Anoma boasts a total supply of 10 billion XAN tokens. These are distributed strategically, 25% for community and liquidity, 19% for R&D and ecosystem expansion, 15% for core contributors, and 31% for venture backers, reflecting a thoughtful allocation aimed at fostering long-term growth and engagement. What sets Anoma apart is its intent-centric architecture, effectively positioning it against major players like Polkadot and Cosmos in the interoperability arena. Through partnerships and innovations, Anoma distinguishes itself with features that emphasize unification and collaboration across blockchain platforms. Market position and adoption metrics are crucial in gauging Anoma's standing. Compared to its competitors, Anoma's technological suite is impressive with its intent-centric architecture, privacy-preserving transactions, and robust scalability solutions through fractal scaling. This places Anoma as a formidable contender in the Web3 ecosystem, appealing to a burgeoning user base. The strategic partnerships and integrations established by Anoma further underscore its growing adoption, although the precise user statistics remain closely watched by the community to evaluate ongoing adoption momentum. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency trading requires a foundational understanding of fundamental analysis, especially when dealing with volatile assets like Anoma XAN in high-leverage environments. On the CoinUnited.io platform, both novice and experienced traders can leverage a plethora of tools to execute effective trading strategies based on fundamental insights. The first pillar of fundamental analysis in crypto trading is staying abreast of project-specific news and updates. Fluctuations in Anoma's price can often be traced back to developments within the project. For instance, the recent delay of Anoma's Binance Alpha listing from September 23 to September 29, 2025, generated considerable market buzz, creating both risk and opportunity. On CoinUnited.io, traders can utilize integrated news feeds and alerts to receive real-time updates about such events, allowing for preemptive strategic adjustments.